to turn off new friends notifications on your Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off new friends notifications on your Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on your profile, scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. Now all you need to do is you have the option with the new friends notifications. Turn off this option. Now you won't get notifications when you have a new Facebook friends, and this is it. So this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.